Okay, I've been struggling to figure out how to show how to get to the filing or to file your protest for 2025, so I decided to record this video to make it easier. So for example, if you, depends on where you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you're, let's just say, Dallas Central Appraisal District, you have one system. You can always mail your protest form to the address specified in the form, and in the form it will have an address specified. But if you want to do it online, every county seems to be doing it somewhat differently. So for example, I'm on Dallas CAD, and in Dallas CAD, once I pull up a property, there is a link that says you file online protest. So very easy. And when you click on it, it immediately asks you for your PIN. Where do you get the PIN? The PIN arrived to you with your protest data. Sorry, I didn't have it ready. I'm in Dallas Central Appraisal District. My notice arrived and the PIN was printed right under the big D right there. It's the word PIN. So your PIN number is most likely going to be located on the appraisal information or appraisal package that you received from your Central Appraisal District. Okay, so if you are in the Dallas Central Appraisal District, then you can always mail the form. So you have three ways. You can mail the form, and there is an address where to deliver it. You can drive to that address and hand deliver your notice, or you can file it online through the U-File online protest. Let's go to the Collin County. In Collin County, it is a similar situation, but you have an online portal, like an overall online portal, not specifically for U-File. So at Collin County, it is onlineportal.collincad.org, and I'm going to put that link in the documents and in the description. So ideally, you will be able, don't have an account, sign up. Ideally, you will be able to either re-log in, or you put your property ID. Your property ID will also be on your CAD letter. And then you put your property ID, your PIN number, and then add property, and then you start the login process. If you're not very good with computers, if you are unsure if you'll be able to do it correctly, then just mail the form to avoid delays. Do not allow the technical difficulties to keep you from filing the form as quickly as possible. So at the Tarrant Appraisal District, they also have an overall portal. You see there's like a blue login button, and all you do to get to that link is tad.org/login. I'm going to put that in the description, and again, you will most likely be able to, okay, so to create an online account, you are going to go your first name, email, password, and an account number and PIN. See, you still need the PIN for the Tarrant Appraisal District. Let's see what Denton Appraisal District requires. So for the Denton Appraisal District, it is dentoncad.com/public-portal/sign-in. I'm going to put that in the description and in the documents. So create new login. You're going to create new account. Very fancy compared to a very simple, straightforward Tarrant. This is much more fancy. Okay, so we have first name, last name, cell phone, email, password, verify password, and it looks like they don't how to create an owner login. So you will be an owner, and apparently they have a little video, public portal taxpayer creation. I'm going to add the link to this video to the information that I provide in the documents and in the description. Alright guys, this is how you file. Now again, do not allow delays to kind of stamite your progress. If you lost your account number, if you lost your login, if your password that you set up last year is not working, forget about it. Get the form, the physical form, in a mail and mail it out. If you are in a county that I did not mention and you want to find out if they have a public portal, all you do, so let's just try it, and we'll say Rockwall County CAD e-portal login, and then just use Google to see if there is a way to create a login on the website, or to have a login on the website. Key property search, forms, online property, public portal. So you see, see there is like a button that says online services. Like at Rockwall, it was not that difficult. By the way, it looks exactly like the Denton. Looks exactly like Denton. I have a feeling it's the same portal. Rockwall and Denton are probably using the same portal. Anyhow, so how do you find out the online login to your portal? You search for the website, and then on the website search for any way, and often the website will say, how do I file something? Like Denton also has online services. And how did I get here on TAD? On TAD was how do I? Okay, so how do I? Which was also useful, because how do I protest my property values? Something like that. Alrighty, I'm not going to overtalk it. It was just supposed to be a quick little explanation for you on how we get us filed online quickly and without spending 60 cents on a stamp or more on a certified mail. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. So I'm going to put the next video together, and the next video will be more or less on gathering data that you will need to lower your property appraisal and to save money throughout the year of 2025. I will see you guys at the next video.